Dirty, dirty, dirty boiler. Just look at the state of me. Afternoon, Ellen. So yeah, you're in for a treat with these. So yeah, it's going to be full service on this plant room. So these boilers haven't been stripped for a while. So yeah, let's get everything opened up. Might not get it finished today, but we'll get most of it done. Definitely won't get the whole plant room done today. Yeah, there's quite a lot to go through. I bought BMS and everything to go through, so just got boiler stuff in at the minute. So yeah, remember these last time you came and visited. So we'll get everything up and running and make sure everything's working first before we start breaking in. Cool. Happy days. Right, so got it in manual mode, which is just here. So it's just made on all cams. Cool. So we got it in engineering mode. I've had to do some jiggery pokery with BMS to get heating on, because obviously at this time of year there's no demand. So right, so it's cycling through combustion air and damper. Right. There we go. Cool. Yep, so that's cycling as it should be. There she goes. Get in there. Right. Get the print off. So like I say, I always like to do this before I start, stripping everything down. Get it into low fire. That's not good. Not enough air. Probably why it's looking a little bit sooty. So let it settle. Gonna print off. Right, so we know what we're working with now. It's alright at high fire, but a bit rubbish at low fire. So we'll give it all a good scrub out and things and stuff, and yeah, take it from there. Right, just make sure everything's dead. Like I say, I might not get it finished today, so I'm gonna leave my locks on. Right, just check it for dead. If you're gonna use one of these, always make sure you've got a proving box. Yeah. And you know it's working then. Yeah. Happy days. So I don't know how I'm going to do this one-handed, but we'll give it a go. We'll give it a go. Just make sure everything's dead. Yeah. And at the other side. Yep. So that's all dead. Cool. Right, let's start taking it to pieces. Oh, the joys! Right, so we've had this tightness test on it for a while. So yeah, just a local one. No leaks. So yeah, and get it stripped. Right, you ready for the surprise? So I'll open. Look at the state of that. Oh, lovely. Aye, that's gonna take some scrubbing out. Oh, lovely. You know when you wish you hadn't opened stuff up. Oh, the joys. Best go and get my fettling brushes, Emma. Give it a bit of a fettle. Right. I'm gonna be black. Right. Oh, great. Love it. Living the dream. Right. I'll see you in a while. Dirty, dirty, dirty boiler. I bet there's no tools on Amazon for this one. Bet life a bit easier. It's getting there. Happy days. Cool. Right, so we're on the last one now. It's scrubbing up quite well. Happy days. And yeah, but obviously I've been been checking them before putting them back, and yeah, they all look pretty good. Which I'm surprised, because these boilers are what, 9 years old now. But what I have found is this one here. It looks like it's got a crack on it, because it is both sides. So that's definitely not like an imperfection on casting like that one there. Yeah. So yeah, it looks like this one's cracked. Because they are only cast iron. Right, so I'll get a new one ordered up. Yay! Right, happy days. Right, so just cleaned all door insulation up. Just checking for any cracks and all like that. There's only indentation of when it goes onto heat exchanger. Yeah. Bit of water damage down here, a bit down here. No major, no spoiling there. And let's have a look at the back of here. Oh God. Right, so insulation looks good. No cracks in the back neither. So yeah, ceramic fibre at the back of there. That's all good. It's just still a bit mucky where I've missed a bit. Might be easier doing that with brush. So look. Yeah, I'll just knock that all off with brush. Nasty. I think I'll go get my face mask on. I'll sit in a bit. Not cool. Before and after for you. Yeah, cool. Just look at the state of me. You just love it. It is. Absolutely black. It's great. Anyway, like I said, we've got that cracked baffle. I've just buttoned everything up for tonight. Sod it, I've had enough. Yeah, clean clothes tomorrow, and no doubt I'll be just as black again. Dear me. Oh. Right, cool. So yeah, no open ends. All locked off. Yeah, nobody can mess with that. Cleaned that muck up off the floor. It's always nice to be nice to tidy up. Yeah, cool. And I really want to get this one repaired though. Get that baffle changed before I move on to that one. Because if I fight same on that one, yeah, I'm not one for swapping parts around on boilers. If it's broke, it gets replaced. I don't take it out of another one and stick it in another one. So, see how long and how much that's going to cost. Yay! Right, cool. I shall see you all later. Have fun, and I'll catch you in a bit. I'll see you. Morning, Alan. So, right, we're back. So, like I say, we've got us turbulators out, and now we have a brand new one to replace that cracked one. It's only taken 2.5 weeks. It had to come from Germany. Yeah, all good fun. So yeah, we'll get it all up and back up and get it slung in, and then we'll do his bit top burner. Cool, happy days. Right, so all three are back in there. Cool. I'll give them a bit of a clean, ignition and ionisation. Well, I've got this side up burner. Saves me pulling it all out. Fantastic. All in back together. And a bit of muck has come down. Yeah, better. Dusty. Right, so we'll get it all buttoned up. Cool. See you in a bit. Right, so removed retaining bolt and pulled pin out, and also disconnected linkage for gas. So yeah, that's all nice and free. Yeah, cool. And yeah, just got leads to get off. Cool. And just slide it all the way back. Oh. There we go. So I can actually get to the burner head if we need to, but I already did it from the other side, so I won't worry about that. So we'll just fan looks. Let's get these out of the way. Yeah, fan looks pretty clean. Yeah, cool. Let's have a look at this flappy bit. Got a floppy bit in there that can controls the amount of air that goes in to the burner. So that's all done here, and we've got the adjuster screws all the way around here, as you can see. So when we're up at high fire, there's a lot more air, and down at low fire there's a lot less. But when I came to it a couple of weeks ago, it was alright at high fire, but it was a bit rubbish at low fire, so we need to adjust that when we get all stuff and everything, hot crap burnt away inside boiler. So good few minutes at high fire, blasting it all the way, and yeah, job's a good one. And then we'll move on to the other one. Fantastic. Right, so yeah, like I say, did burner head from the other side, did electrodes from the other side. Fan looks clean, so we don't need to do that. So we'll just pop it all back now, give it a bit of lubed up with some of this stuff. It's really good. non-flammable and nice and slippy. Yeah. Happy days. Cool. See you in a bit. Scooby-Dooby-Doo. Scooby-Doo-Doo, Scooby-Dooby-Doo. Scooby-Doo-Doo, Scooby-Dooby-Doo. Scooby-Dooby-Doo, Scooby-Doo-Doo, Scooby-Dooby-Doo. Scooby-Doo-Doo, Scooby-Dooby-Doo. Scooby-Dooby-Doo. You just love it. Back in a minute. Right, so just doing a quick tightness test. Right, it's all buttoned up. Lovely. Where you go? There you go. Always nice to be nice. Happy days. Cool. That'll do for the pit. Right, move on to the burner. Right, so your servo motor cams. Right, you've got 4 different stages. 1 is your maximum burner. 2 minimum burner, 3 position for ignition, and then you got number 4, which is actually interlocked with number 3. A lot of people get that mixed up. Yeah, so you can adjust them if you so wish, but they are pre-factory set. On cover you get a little tool to adjust them. Yeah. So obviously I've just taken it off to have a quick look-see, make sure it's alright. So, right, we'll get it all wired back up and yeah, put it through its paces. Cool. Right, so we're all back together now. We're all lubed up. Take my locks off. So, right, we're good to go. I've altered BMS, so everything should run. Yeah. That's the power on. Super, no faults. Right. Happy days. Get some gas on. Doing its thing. Cool. ramp it up a bit. Burn some of this soot off. And then we'll get some readings. Give it a good 10 minutes. Happy days. Right, so we've got it at mid-fire in a minute. Middle for diddle. Got this flue gas analyzer in. Round about where we want to be. Cool. Right, let's get it to high fire. It's a little bit tad high on O2, but it's not a million miles out. Just making sure they're not getting too warm. Get it into low. Yeah, it's a bit low on O2, so we'll do a bit of jiggery poke at it. Pump adjusters. We might have gone a little bit too far. Just open it up, back down. Yeah, I've gone a little bit too much on O2 there. Oh, it's shut down anyway. Slight adjustment. Right, so wait for temperature at boiler to go down. So I had to make sure we got rid of all the muck that was disturbed in there. So yeah, I'll be back in a minute. Right, after some considerable jiggery pokery, it's taken me around about 20 minutes. We're not a million miles out at all. So we'll check it on iFire. Yeah, happy days. So we'll get some print offs and get some paperwork done. It's good enough for a bit. Right, I'll see you.